Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we have a 15 pair shoe unboxing today. I did just film a denim box that you can see the remnants of over there. I don't know which one will go first. I'll probably put the denim one up first just since I filmed it first, but I'm wearing the same thing because I got these both the same day. The day I went on, they had like so many boxes available and I had a credit, and I like getting the denim box for reasons that I explained in the denim video, but I used my credit on the shoe box because I've been selling a lot of shoes lately. Shoes at my store are usually like at least $8 per pair, and they're usually damaged and usually not that great, and if they are better or they deem them better, then they price them up. So I wanted to get another shoe box because I've had really good luck recently with them. Like I said, I had a credit, so I paid just a little bit over $65 for 15 pairs of shoes. That would make each pair of shoes about $4.40, give or take a little bit. Now, I will say, I do try to be picky, and as long as my cost of goods, you know, equals out to what I would pay at my Goodwill store here, then I feel that it is a win. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I had to have my husband come lift this box up here because I didn't know that I could or should, you know, with the baby. So, okay, let's do that. There we go. Ooh, I love selling Sam Edelman. These are cute. These are really like street wear, like I think it's bloke court. Is that what it's called? They're like this cute green. These are cute. If these were my size, I would debate. They're 7.5, so it's close. I would debate keeping these for me. I like these. So 7.5 Sam Edelman. Okay, I'm trying them on. All right, pause. Let's see if I can do this. I typically wear 7, but sometimes I can wear 7.5. It just depends on the shoe. I like these. I love green is like one of my favorite colors. So let's just try this bad boy on. I kind of like these shoes, although my foot is kind of slipping out the back, probably because they are a little bit too big. Let's see if I can get over here to show you what they look like. I do like them though. I think that they're cute, but I think that they are going to be technically a little bit too big for me, unfortunately, though. Would seriously contemplate keeping these because these are seriously so cute. So those are so, unless they're cute. These are, ouch, Columbia. Look like water shoes, maybe. They are a size 6, but I'll probably try to sell them. I mean, they've got this cute like coastal coral reef design, and they're in, you know, good condition, so we will sell those. Ooh, a pair of Hokas, and these look to be in really good condition. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, these are size 9.5, so that's good. They are the Bondi 6. Maybe a little bit of wear right here, but other than that, in really good condition. And I love this blue. I love that blue. These are my size. These would totally be keep. I'm loving this. Okay. I don't know about this brand. I'm pretty sure when things come rubber banded like this, like the smaller shoes at least, I'm pretty sure that means that they listed them on their site. So, we're doing good so far with these. These are Cushion Air. I don't know anything about this, though. I might have just said that and then just straight up lied because I don't see where these have a size. And I don't know where the size would be hidden. I feel like I see these out there on my phone. That's nice. Let's see. They look to be like about an 8, if I had to guess. Oh no, maybe they're like a 7.5. Oh no, they're probably about a 7.5. They match up with this Sam Edelman most perfectly. I'm gonna look these up because I don't know about that brand, so we will look those up. Louvette. I'll show you the interior. Louvette. I don't know what those are. They're size 7.5. So I think I'm gonna say they're like a little slipper. Those are cute. If these end up being nothing, then I might keep these. I live in slippers, you guys. I'm always in slippers around my house. So I'm gonna look those up. These are a pair of Clarks sandals. There is some wear on these right here. It's almost like pink marker. I don't know if that could be removed. They are a size 9, so they are a good size. These would be a solid maybe for me. So those I'm gonna put in like my little maybe stack. These are a pair of Columbia boots, size 7. So these are my size. Like outdoor hiking water boot type shoes. I don't know how to describe these. Very outdoorsy core. But I will try to sell those. They're in really good condition. All right, these are Dolce Vita. Okay. Size 8.5, but there is like a lot of wear on these. You can see right here. So these I will not be selling. They just have wear there. They are cute, and you know, an 8.5, that's a good size, but I just don't know. I don't want to sell them with that damage. Oops, that just went right off. All right, these are cool. These are Nike SB. I don't know what the SB stands for. Delta Force says men's 11. Hey, my husband might want these. So he typically wears an 11.5. These are his school colors too, so he's a teacher. So we'll see. If he doesn't want them, then I will sell them. But if not, then I'll take it as a wear anyways. These are a pair of New Balance, just black running shoes, size 10. They're in really good condition, so I will try to sell those. They're an 11, but I think that they're brand new if you want to try them on.
Those are nice.
Next, these are Zara, size 38. I think a 38 is a 7.5. There is a little bit of wear right there, but these are really kind of cute. Just like a little kitten heel. There's a little bit of wear on the back of the heel that I don't know that you'll be able to see, but I will probably try to sell those as well. How many pairs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Okay, I do have 15 pairs because there's 4 pairs left. Oh, sissy, keep your Cheeto hands on the other side. That.
Here, stay right here. Watch over.
These are Saks Fifth Avenue, so that's awesome. Size 6.5. Cute little cream wood block, almost like a. Oh, they're so weird. But they're like this. I don't know how to describe it. It's like bamboo almost heel, but I will definitely try to sell. Next, another pair of Sam Edelman. These are cute. I just sold a pair similar to these. Let's see. Similar, not the same. From a ThredUp box. These are a size 8. They do have like just a teeny tiny bit of scuffing.
Mommy?
No, these won't be for mommy. Do you think mommy would wear these? Maybe, but they're not mommy size.
Yeah.
Yeah, are they pretty? Would you have told mommy to get these?
Yeah, these.
Get these, okay. But they're cute little loafers, size 8. They're the Lors. These are Vince. Black little
Do you want it?
heels. What size are they? There it is. size 7.5. But a really cute little shoe. Just a little bit of wear, but not too bad. Not as much wear as the like the Dolce Vita skin. Okay, these are Copenhagen. I don't know anything about this brand. Size 41. I think that's like 11.5 maybe. I don't know. But they're a white shoe, and I don't know anything about them, so I will look those up as well, and then we will come right back. Okay, so back with a couple notes. The Cushion Air sandals. Here, let me just. I am gonna keep for myself because I didn't feel like they had enough resale value, and they do fit me, so or fit me pretty well. So I will sell those. I am gonna sell these Louvette, like ballet slipper boots. The one that I cannot figure out is this Copenhagen. I don't know which Copenhagen this is, and I was having a hard time doing like a quick comp search, so I'm gonna have to do a deeper dive for this one, but they feel really nice, and I know that they are leather. So I am gonna try to sell those. I just need to do more research on exactly what they are, and then I'm pretty sure Jacob is gonna keep the Nikes for himself. So two pairs of personal shoes. One pair of shoes I'm not selling. I am going to try to remove this from these Clarks because I do think that they're cute, and sandals do sell, and I know that comfort shoes can do pretty well. Like, people like going back to the same ones. So that would mean I have 12 pairs of shoes to sell. So I'll put the average cost of goods down below. If I can't get that out and then it's 11, I'll put the 11. Okay, I did want to hop in here to say I didn't see it before, and you can't see it unless it's at a certain angle, but there is damage to these Zara shoes, so I don't know that I will be selling those. So my cost of goods is actually out of the 11, possibly 10, but regardless, still super, super good, super, super happy with my box amount, but definitely a total win. It'll be less than $6 and 50 cents per pair of shoes, which is awesome, and I'm totally happy and excited about that. Let me know how you think my box went down below. I honestly feel like this was like maybe one of my best shoe boxes. I know I definitely have a good amount of profit in this box, but yeah, that was everything for today. Let me know how you feel about it down below. Be sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.